Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit a code or description in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here in my project is head to the top option here, Project Data, and then in the bottom left corner is my Codes option, which I'm going to select. And inside my Codes option here, you can see that I've got a list of every code or description inside of my project here. And what I'm going to do is the three dots to the right of my code here. In this case, I'm going to be working on my B bank option. And what I'm going to do is hit those three dots and the edit and delete menu is going to pop up here. I'm going to select on edit, and you can see here that I can change the name of the code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a 2 to the end of B bank. And then if I scroll down here, there is the point symbol option. In this case, I'm going to choose something more appropriate. Let's choose a black box. My point size right now is set to 1. That is the default size. It is generally good enough, so I'm going to leave that. My point color, I'm going to go with a nice shade of red here. And my line color, I'm going to leave as is. My layer list here, if I had any layers created, I can assign certain codes to those layers. In this case, I haven't created any layers. I'm sure there will be a video shortly on making layers inside of FieldGenius for Android, but in this case, I don't have any layers created, so I can't assign this code to a layer at this time. So I'm going to leave it blank here and then select Save to save my changes. And now if I go and manually add a point here on the map screen, let's do something kind of in the middle of nowhere. I guess I can't do it in Brazil. That is well outside of my coordinate system, so I'm going to do it closer to my coordinate system here. And you can see my feature / code was set as B bank. And you can see that I now have this nice shade of red with a big square next to this B bank 2 description. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you edit a description or code inside of Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.